if a person lent money to other person, then he charge tax, interest, charge interest on money, charge interest on money, right?
Yes, sir.
And when similarly, if he go to bank and take a loan, on taking loan from bank, loan, then bank charge interest, bank charge interest, right? When a
Yes, sir.
person take a loan, right? But when you deposit money in bank, this is bank, right? So when
Yes,
you
sir.
deposit money in bank, deposit, then bank give you interest. Bank give interest, right? Bank give interest. Bank charge interest. So this is, whole business of charging,
Yes,
exchange
sir.
of charges. Someone is giving, if a man is giving to another man, he is charging and he is paying, right? And
Yes, sir.
means he is he gave to him, so he'll get the he will give the charge, right? He will give charge, interest he will give. So whole system is like that. So this is, we have interest. Now interest is calculated on two bases. There are two type of interest. One is SI. We called it
Simple interest.
simple interest. Simple interest, right? Means SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100, right? Where P principal is money borrowed, money borrowed or lent, right?
Yes, sir.
This is principal. Then amount is principal plus interest. Principal plus
Plus interest.
interest. This you have to keep in mind. Never forget. This is the basic formula. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. How we are getting interest, that is a different thing. Principal is also fixed value, right? No doubt principal is a fixed value and interest is depending upon uh, principal, rate of interest, time and all this. Interest is depending upon rate of interest, right?
Yes, sir.
Time, all these. So this is, we have simple interest, right?
Yes, sir.
And another we have,
Compound interest.
compound interest. Compound interest is interest on interest. Interest on interest. Compound interest is interest on interest. When we are getting interest on interest, then it is known as compound interest, right? And that is CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n minus 1. You can get the CI, where R is rate of interest, n is number of years. Number of years. Right? Do you
Yes, sir.
understand this?
Yes, sir.
Simple interest is simple interest, simply multiplied and get. Compound interest is interest on interest. So, and the formula is this: CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n minus 1, and where n is number of years. I hope you understand this.
Yes, sir.
This formula, okay, fine. Now, should I write this?
Yes, sir.
Now, so I told you in compound interest A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n, right?
Yes, sir.
When interest compounded annually, interest
Compounded annually.
compounded annually, and so CI also will be P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power n minus 1. Getting?
Yes, sir.
This is. Now, we have if compounded half yearly, you are writing?
Yes, sir.
If compounded half yearly, then A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2n, and CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R it is 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2n minus 1. You get it? This is for compounded half yearly, right?
Yes, sir.
If compounded annually, sorry, quarterly. In a quarter, how many months?
6.
हाफ ईयरली में 6, तो क्वार्टर में 3.
हाँ,
A
three,
is
three,
equal
sorry.
to P bracket 1 plus R upon 400 raised to the power 4n. Right? And CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon, take a bracket here, 1 plus R upon 400 raised to the power 4n minus 1. This is the CI, right? Compounded half yearly, compounded annually, compounded half yearly, compounded quarterly, right?
Yes, sir.
One more thing is there. You make a note of it?
Yes, sir.
Great. For 1.5 years, 1.5 years compounded annually, right?
Yes, sir.
Then A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 1 into next half year is there, na? So 1
Yes,
plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2. This is we have, right?
Yes, sir.
But for 1.5 years compounded annually, then we use this. It can be, if it is 2.5 years, you can write here 2, right? No issue. So, and CI will be same. CI is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 100 raised to the power 2 bracket 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1. Getting this much?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is compounded half yearly. If I say for 200, for two whole 1 by 2 years, 1 by 2 years, compounded half yearly, right? This is compounded half yearly. Then This is how much? 2 times 2 becomes 4
4.
plus 1 becomes 5. It can be
5.
written 5 by 2 years.
Yes, sir.
Right? 5 by 2 years. So A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2 into 5 by 2. You get this? For half
Yes.
yearly, same we will do like this. And CI is equal to P bracket. CI is equal to 1 plus R upon 200 raised to the power 2 into 5 by 2 minus 1. Get it?
Yes, sir.
These are the formulas. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
We can do the questions, these questions by two methods. Right? One by using formula, one by not using formula. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have question. I send you the first question, that is question number 7. Question number 7 you have, right?
Yes, sir.
What is this? Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Find difference between SI and CI. Right?
Yes, sir.
On 2,500 for 2 years, compound interest weekend semi-annually. Compound interest semi-annually. Right? Or half yearly. Get it?
Yes, sir.
So now we have SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. So it is 2,500. Rate of interest is rate of interest is how much?
1 second. सर एक ही फोन है ना तो पहले वीडियो देख रहा था.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं, 4%, कोई बात नहीं. And time is 2 years. Time is 2 years. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So R is 4 into time is 2 upon 100. Right?
Yes, sir.
0 is cancelled out. It becomes how much? 4 times 25 becomes 100. 100 into 2 becomes 200. So CI is rupees 200. Right? Sorry, SI. Simple
SI.
interest is 200. If I go with CI, for 2 years. Every half yearly it is recurring, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we can do, CI is equal to 2500 bracket 1 plus 4 upon 200, right?
Yes, sir.
Raised to the power
सर आपने 200 या 20 लिखा है
200 divided by 2 into 2, right? Minus 1. You get this? Okay. Now CI is equal to 2500 bracket, this is 50, right? 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 50 whole power 4 minus 1, right? So we get CI is equal to 2500 bracket, it is 51 upon 50 raised to the power 4 minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So how much you will get now? So CI is equal to 2500 bracket 51 whole power 4 minus 50 whole power 4 upon 50 whole power 4. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So what will be your answer? (51 into 51 into 51 into 51). It is 67,000. CI is equal to 2500 bracket 67,000 65,201 minus 50 into 50 into 50 into 50. It is
Sir, 62 lakh
62 lakh
50,000.
50,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Upon 62 lakh
2 lakh
50,000.
50,000.
So what will be the difference? 67,000, 67 lakh 65,201, right? It is 2,500 into 5 lakh 15,201 upon 625 62,000, 62,50,000. My God, horrible job.
Yes, sir.
But we done. This 100, these two zeros are cancelled out. This
Yes, sir.
625 is divided by 25, so you will get 25. So it becomes 250, right? So
Yes, sir.
how much we get? 5,15,201 divided by 250, right? Something when, oh, there are two zeros, right? So it is 0. This is 206 rupees 08, right? So CI is 200. Sorry, SI is 200 and CI is 206.08. So difference in CI minus SI is equal to 206.08 minus 200 becomes 6.08, right?
Yes,
You
sir.
get this?
Yes, sir.
So this is the difference in CI. This is the difference between CI and SI, right?
Yes, sir.
So you should keep in mind, right, that first year CI is equal to SI. After that CI is greater than SI, right? Do you get
Yes, sir.
what I said? For first year CI is equal to SI.
Yes, sir.
After that CI is always greater than SI, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this was question number 7. I send you the answer sheet. So can you see this is exercise 2.2. Can you check there the same answer?
Yes, sir. Sir, exercise 2.2, answer 7th. Sir,
Hmm.
rupees 6.08.
So this is
Rupees 6.08.
okay. You get that?
Yes, sir.
Should I rub?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8. Right. They are
Yes, sir.
saying find the amount and interest, right? On rupees 2,000 2000 in 2 years. In 2 years, right?
Yes, sir.
2 years compounded annually, right? Rate of interest means R1 is equal to how much? %4, and rate of interest is 5%. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we can do it by I'm not using formula right now. I'm going with the step first, right? So we know for first year, principal is how much? 2000,
Yes, sir.
right? Rate of interest R1 is 4%, right? Time is always 1 year, right? So
Yes, sir.
interest I1, this was P1, this is I1 is equal to P into R into T upon 100, right? How much you get? 2000 into rate of interest is 4, time is 1 upon 100, right? It becomes 25. 8 times 25 becomes 200. So it is 80. So interest one is 80. Rupees 80. Right? Now,
Yes, sir.
So A1 is equal to P1 plus I1 is equal to how much? P1 is 2000 plus I1 is 80. It is 2080. This is A1. For second year, A1 is equal to P2. That is 2080, right? And rate of interest for this year is 5%. So interest is equal to P2 into R2 into 1 upon 100. Right? P2 is 2080 into 5 into 1 upon 100. This is 1 0 and 0 is cancelled. 2 times 5 becomes 10. 2 divided by 104. So I2 is 104. Right? You just see here. So we get amount A2 is equal to is equal to P2 plus I2. So P2 is 2080 plus 104. This is 104, right? So how much you are getting? 4821, right? So this is the amount in 2 years, right? And interest is amount minus principal, that is 2184 minus 2000, you get rupees 184. Rupees
184.
Interest is rupees 184. You get that?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this?
Little bit, sir.
Little bit? Yeah, this is for the first year. This is for the second year. First year amount turns to be principal for the second year. And then we get the final amount because second we have to find the second year. So A2 is the final amount. And principal minus amount minus principal is equal to, you know very well,
Yes, sir.
is interest. So we get the interest. Final interest is 104, right?
Sir, but the answer is coming rupees 2142.40, and the second one rupees 142.40. Question number 8.
मतलब कहीं पे जाम हो गया हमसे, मतलब I did something wrong.
Yes, sir.
ओहो, तुम यार तुमने पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? मेरा क्वेश्चन ये सही है.
मैंने भी आंसर चेक किया था ना इस पे 2.2
तुमने
का.
गलती पकड़ी, लेकिन ये नहीं पकड़ा कि मैंने यहाँ R2 5% लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है, तुम्हारी किताब में
sir.
जो R2 दिया गया है वो 3% दिया गया है.
ओके.
क्या समझे?
R2 हमने 5% लिखा है, किताब में 3% दिया है, तभी गलत हो गया.
तो गलत नहीं हुआ.
मतलब वैसे सही है, मतलब हम लोग ने वो R2.
हाँ, अब इसको बदल देते हैं.
Yes, sir.
I want to do something other, but anyway, answer. Now, up you have for second year. Second year, A2 is, sorry, A1 is equal to A2. अबे A1 is equal to P2 is equal to कितना हुआ वो?
A1 is equals to P2.
2080.
Yes, sir.
So I2 is equal to 2080 into 3 into 1 upon 10.
200 upon 10.
नहीं, 100. 100. बराबर.
0 cancel.
ये 0 और ये 0 कैंसिल आउट.
Yes, sir.
इसको आपने किया तो कितना आया? 8 times 3 becomes 24. 624 upon 10. It becomes 62.4 rupees. Right?
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट ईयर में कितना आया था?
1 minute, sir.
80.
फर्स्ट ईयर में
हम्म,
80 आया था 80।
क्या वो इसलिए कम हो गया बिकॉज रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट रिड्यूस कर गया सेकेंड ईयर में, राइट?
यस
So
सर।
this is interest.
यस
Now
सर।
अब A2 is equal to कितना हुआ? 2080 plus 62.4, तो कितना आएगा? 2144.4, राइट?
यस सर।
नहीं,
1
2142 40 पैसा. This is
यस सर।
A2 is equal to 2142 rupees 40 paisa. This is the amount too, right?
यस सर।
What do you get?
द आंसर
Same is coming 2142.40,
यस सर।
and CI is equal to amount minus principal, so it becomes 2142.4 minus 2000 is equal to 1142.4, right?
यस सर 142.40।
142.400, yeah, zero will be there, right? So this is correct.
यस सर।
So the difference was because we have taken 3%, so we have taken 5%, so we reached here. If we take 3%, then we reached here, right?
यस सर।
This is due to the change in percentage,
यस सर।
this is problem of copying from question to board, so that's why it happens, but overall concept is same. I hope you understand this.
यस सर।
So I hope this time it is sufficient.
यस सर इट इज।
So and try to learn the formulas, because all the game of formula,
यस सर।
right?
यस सर।
So we'll meet tomorrow again.
फॉर श्योर सर।
We hope so. Good luck.
थैंक यू सर। गुड नाइट।
Bye.